How to add Yahoo Mail to Gmail. If you want to manage your Yahoo Mail in the Gmail application, follow the simple steps to link your Yahoo Mail to Gmail on your iPhone. Open your Gmail application. Tap onto the profile icon from the top right corner. From the pop-up, select Add another account. In this interface, you have to select Yahoo. Enter your Yahoo Mail address and tap Next. Then you have to enter your Yahoo Mail password. Then there will be the option of signing in. If prompted, allow Gmail to access your Yahoo account. Complete the sign up. Review the permission and tap Agree. Choose how you want your Yahoo Mails in Gmail. Link Yahoo Mail account and import your Yahoo Mails. After that, you have to tap Done and Yahoo Mail will now appear in your Gmail. If you want to check your Yahoo Mail in Gmail, you have to open Gmail, tap the profile icon and select Yahoo Mail from the list. And that's it. Now you know how to add Yahoo Mail to your Gmail. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.